Once upon a time, there was a young man named Zen, who was very talkative. He loved to talk about everything and anything, and he would often find himself in arguments with people. One day Zen was walking through the forest when he came across a wise old man. The old man was sitting under a tree, and he was completely silent. Zen was curious about the old man, so he sat down next to him and asked him why he was so silent. The old man smiled and said, "I am silent because I have learned that there is more to life than words. When I speak, I often say things that I do not mean, and I hurt people's feelings. But when I am silent, I can listen to the world around me, and I can learn from the wisdom of nature." Zen was impressed by the old man's words, and he decided to try to be more silent himself. At first it was difficult for Zen to stay silent. He would often find himself wanting to say something, but he would stop himself and listen instead. Over time, Zen began to learn the value of silence. He learned that silence can be a powerful tool for a communication, and that it can help us to connect with ourselves and with the world around us. One day Zen was walking through the forest when he came across a group of people who were arguing. Zen stopped to listen, and he realized that the people were arguing about something that was very important to them. Zen wanted to help them, but he knew that if he spoke, he would only make the situation worse. So Zen stayed silent and listened. As Zen listened, he began to understand the different perspectives of the people who were arguing. He realized that each person had a valid point of view, and that there was no easy answer to the problem that they were facing. Zen stayed silent for a long time, and eventually, the people who were arguing began to calm down. They were able to see each other's point of view, and they were able to find a solution to their problem. Zen was glad that he had been able to help the people who were arguing, and he was even more glad that he had learned the value of silence. He realized that silence can be a powerful tool for a communication, and that it can help us to connect with ourselves and with the world around us. Zen continued to practice silence, and he soon became known for his wisdom and his ability to listen. People from all over would come to him for advice, and he would always listen carefully and offer them wise counsel. Zen lived a long and happy life, and he was always grateful for the lesson that he had learned from the wise old man in the forest, that silence is a powerful tool for a communication, and that it can help us to connect with ourselves and with the world around us. Here are some of the real truth of being silent. 1. Silence can help you to focus and to think more clearly. 2. Silence can help you to reduce stress and to relax. 3. Silence can help you to connect with your inner self and to find inner peace. 4. Silence can help you to listen to others and to understand their point of view. 5. Silence can help you to build relationships and to connect with others on a deeper level. 6. Silence can help you to be more creative and to come up with new ideas. 7. Silence can help you to be more mindful and to appreciate the present moment. If you're looking for a way to improve your life, I encourage you to try being more silent. It may be difficult at first, but it is a practice that will pay off in the long run.